Hello, good night. My name is Elizabeth Sequeda. Today I'm going to speak about my friends. Questions. Who your closest friends? My closest friend is Lina Oviedo. How do you meet? We met in school giving classes. How many friends do you have on a social networking? I have 300 friends. Who were your friends when you were growing up? My friends were Johannes, Darlis, and Lisette. Do you have any friends that have exciting lives? Explain why. Yes, because they practice recreation activity and travel many times. Thank you for your attention. Bye.